So hello everyone, this is Pranav from iTech. So guys, do you know that you can have 50% more speed from your laptop as well as from your computer? If you don't know, let me show you some tweaks that you can do to your laptop as well as to your computer to get 50% more speed from it. Yes, you can do that with some tweaks. So let me show you how. So get your laptops ready and make sure you're ready for this. So first and foremost, what you have to do is first of all, clear all the caches that are present in your laptop. If you know it, and if you haven't done it, you should. But if you don't know it, this is the first thing that you need to do, because over the time, the browsers that you use is saving the caches, and they are saving it because they want to load the site faster for you. That's why they are saving it. But you're saying, oh, then why are we deleting it? Because over the time, the caches are becoming more and more, and it is taking more space in some of the sites that you have visited and not visiting right now. They are also adding up to there. So basically, it's taking more space. Just delete all the caches. Well, open up the task manager. There are many options there. What you have to do is just select one, which is startup apps. In startup apps, just disable all the apps which are enabled. Just disable all the apps. What it will do is whenever you boot up your laptop, any of the apps automatically opens up. It means the app is enabled for startup apps. So if you just disable it, any of the apps that was booting automatically when you boot up your laptop or computer, now it won't be happening. So that's the second part, and if you know it, that's good. But if you don't know it, make sure to do it. It will also help you make your computer or laptop faster. So let's move on to the third step. This you might not be know. So this last tip is one of the amazing tips I can give you, or the tweak I can give you to increase your laptop or computer speed faster. So what you have to do is you need to first boot up your laptop or computer, and after that what you have to do is just go to control panel, and in control panel just select small icon, because you will be easily able to find this option in small icons. After selecting small icons, you will be able to find power option. Just go to that power option, and under power option you will be able to see advanced settings. Just click on it, and after clicking on it you will be able to see a pop-up window appearing on your screen. When the pop-up window appears, there will be a balance setting over there. Under that there will be ultimate performance setting. So you just click on it and apply, and then apply again. The performance of your laptop will be set to ultimate performance. So even when you plug in your charger, you will able to get more performance from it, because you're actually getting it from a DC. So you will obviously get a much better performance rather than not adding a charge in. Yeah, so you will get that performance. And if you're doing it in computer, you will automatically get more performance, as it is always connected with power. So yeah, this is one of the most beneficial tip. If you're a video editor or a gamer, this might be one of the things that will be more helpful to you. That's all for the video. If you found this video informative, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you get the notification whenever the video is up, because more and more videos are coming and they are so much informative for you. See you in the next one.